tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Bell, Bosque, Oriel, Falls, Hill, Limestone, McLennan, Milam, and Robertson. This concludes the test of Weather Radio Station West XK35.